This video is about how to make a punching bag on your own home using homely equipments. All we just need is a old sling bag, old piece of basket, or you can use something similar to that. You can use your homely bathroom buckets or like that, but I'm using a basket, old basket, and a piece of clothes, old piece of clothes to get a firmness, and an old football which is partly inflated. It is not fully inflated, it is partly inflated, and a hanger and a rope. Lastly, we can take an old bottom clothing and we can insert this basket into that. Adjust it as it becomes tighter. Grab the two ends. So we have two firm holders to avoid the shaking of the ball. If you simply insert this ball into this basket, there is a lot of chance of shake and non-firmness when we punch on this basket. So we are inserting this football to another cloth. Inserted. You can fill it with another piece of cloth, a hard cloth which weighs a lot. We need to take a harder cloth because we need some weights. So take a harder cloth and fill it on the top. For the last stage, we can insert this basket to the sling bag that we have already taken before. Now it's finally done. Let's hang it. This bag won't give you the quality and effect of $100 punching bag. But if you are a beginner and if you have a small amount of cash in your pocket, this one will be a better option. So if you like the video, please subscribe my channel and leave a thumbs up. And if you have any suggestion, please comment it down below in the comment section below. So thank you for watching my video.